Hi, my name is Lance Robinson. I'm a criminal defense lawyer in New Orleans, and I've been practicing criminal law for the last 21 years. And what I want to talk to you today about is a public intoxication, public drunkenness in the New Orleans area. I'm going to use, for example, the French Quarter. A lot of my clients, they come in from out of state. They fly down here for a week, and then basically they go on Bourbon Street. They start drinking these hand grenades or other drinks down there, and a police officer comes up. Now, it's up to police officer because it's based only upon his subjective opinions. There's no public intoxicator test that they can do at that point. It's just basically what the police officer thinks. But if he thinks that you're intoxicated or you're public drunk, then he'll give you a summons, he'll bring you to jail. At that point, they'll give you a court date. Now, my clients, most of them have to fly back home, so what I do is I get them to sign an affidavit stating that I can appear for them. I notarize it and I file it with the court, and I go to the first court date without them. At that first court date, what I'll do is look at the gist, which is a narrative of what happened. I'll look for any inconsistencies in that narrative before I talk to the prosecutor. Once I finish that, I'll go ahead and talk to the prosecutor, and I'll explain to the prosecutor that my clients have never been in trouble before, most of them haven't, and that would please refuse the case. Now, if they do refuse the case, then that's it, the end of the case. But if they don't refuse it, then we plead not guilty. It's called arraignment, and we set it for trial. I set it for trial to get the police officer to show up. If he does not show up, then the charges are refused most of the time. And sometimes some prosecutors will continue it one more time, but most of them at the first court date, if they don't show up, they refuse the charges. So what happens next? Now the charge has been refused, we're going to expunge it off your public record. Because the charges were refused, there's no charge by the court to do the expungement. And what I do is I file the expungement, and it goes through the different agencies. It goes through the NOPD, it goes through the FBI, and it goes through the Louisiana State Police. And if they don't object, which they normally don't because my clients haven't been in trouble before, then the case is expunged. So give me a call. My phone number is 504-465-0101, and we'll go over your options from beginning to end. Thank you.